My crafty friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This is Sheree. My channel is Turquoise Dreaming, and I'm here to share with you some crafty junk journal supplies. That's what I use them for. You can use them for whatever you want. That I have picked up at Globleland.com. I'm a demonstrator for them, and they have let me choose another bunch of products here to share with you. And I think you're going to really like them. These are products everyone can use, except for the die cuts. I know everyone doesn't have a die cut machine, but I didn't for a long time, and then actually someone gave me one, so I was very fortunate. But so now I don't buy dies very often. I have a few that I keep because I don't want to be overwhelmed with dies. But when I saw this one on Global Land, I thought I had to get it. Well, since we're looking at this, let's go ahead and look at this first. Yeah, I had to get this because, it's September, and pretty soon I'm going to want to make some Christmas journals, and some which can be used for a December daily. And I always like to have a December daily, or you could just call it a December journal. It doesn't have to be daily, and or just a Christmas journal, whatever you want to call it. But I do like to have, if I try to do something, daily. So, numbers can come in handy for anything. Like for Halloween, maybe if I wanted to cut out a 31 or a 13, or, all the days 1 through 25 or whatever for Christmas or a December daily. So that's why I got these, because in my December daily, well, last year I think I found stickers somewhere, and I used those 1 through 25. But I thought, wouldn't it be cool when I saw these to be able to cut some, number or dates from, just even just scrap Christmas paper that I'm using in a particular journal. So I thought, oh, this would be so cool. So that's why I got these. They're metal dies, of course. And I thought I'd go ahead and start. Well, usually you can just bend them and they come apart. Yeah, I have my wire cutters here in case I need them, but usually you just bend them and they come apart. So these are, and then see there's a little piece left there, so I just kind of cut it with my, or get it with my wire cutters here. Just watch your eyes. I have glasses on, so I wasn't really worried about it hitting my eyeball, but if you don't, you might want to put some glasses on or hold your hand over your when you're doing something like this. But because it's hard to control those little bits that come off. I sweep and vacuum my craft room once in a while, so I'm sure I sweep those up and vacuum those up once in a while with little pieces that go flying like that. But yeah, these are coming off real easy. So I'll be demonstrating. I'll be doing 2 demonstration videos after this unboxing for the products that I'm showing you today. So stay tuned to see how these numbers look. They look like pretty cool. Now they have little raised dots here that look like I think, I'm trying to see if they're actually holes. So I'm anxious to see how those are going to come out. And am I going to have to poke little holes out, or would I just leave them however the paper comes out? We shall see. Did you hear that? That one hit something over there. Little piece of little plastic container I have over there. But yeah, I won't take all these apart, but you get the idea. These are going to be cool and fun to work with. And once I get them off of this, I'll probably put them back. No, I have a little storage system that I use for my dies. So hopefully I have an extra envelope over there. If I didn't, I would just put them back in here and put them in I'm sure I have room for one more little package of dies in there, but maybe when I'm demonstrating these, I'll show you my little storage system I have, an organization system I have for my dies. And you'll see I don't have that many, but I have some I've collected. I've had this machine, the Sizzix, machine that someone gave me a few years ago. So I was very fortunate. She had somebody, I don't know how she ended up with 2. I don't remember if someone, like she bought one and someone gave her one or what, but she's like, well, I have two now. Do you want one? You know what I mean? I'm like, well, who would turn that down? You know what I mean? Nobody's gonna turn that down, I don't think. So yeah, she had to ship it to me and everything. That was so kind of her. And so yeah, somebody I met on YouTube that actually we had never met. We still have never met, but we became good friends just from meeting on YouTube, and she is one of the sweetest people I've ever come across. Anyway, I've almost got these apart now, so let's just finish. I like, you know, my mom brainwashed me into finishing everything I start, so it's hard for me to stop. Once I start something, you have to finish. You can't just stop in the middle. Of course, I'm a firstborn child, so that kind of thing is kind of built into me, right? If you look up the traits of a firstborn girl, especially, they kind of have that built into them, as well as other people. I'm not saying just firstborns, but it's kind of I've always thought it kind of interesting to look to learn about, you know, firstborn, middle child, youngest baby child, you know, the youngest, how their different characters come and how they are so similar just because of their birth order. Anyway, on to the next product. Thank you, Globleland, for letting me demonstrate these products. All the links will be linked down below in my description box, as well as a nice coupon for you. Globleland is always having sales too, so check that out right on their website. I'm sure they have sales and coupons, and so I'll have the website linked, coupon, and all the product links. And if you go through my links, they will know you came from me. And then I can continue demonstrating products for them. So I ordered this green ribbon. I had Halloween in mind when I ordered this kind of bright, kind of almost like a neon green color, but I love this color anyway. So it'll be great for tassels. That's what I would use this for, plus tag toppers. But I didn't realize, do you see how much it is? There's apparently a little spool, this foam spool in the middle. I'm going to take this plastic off. But there's a foam spool in the middle, and then all of this ribbon wrapped around here. Let me see. If it starts coming apart, I'm going to have to go grab something to contain it. But yeah, I didn't know it would be so much, but it's very welcome. And you know, if you watch, oh, I see. Okay, it's a bunch of spools together. Well, thank you, Globleland, for all of the ribbon. It's nice. So it's a bunch of these. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like 10. 10 of these spools of, and I love this thinner ribbon for tags and tassels. And of course, this is kind of, you know, that's whatever silky ribbon that you can use for so many things. And it's thin, so it won't, this way is what I mean. The width of it is not too wide, so it's easy to wrap around a tag topper, you know, without causing a lot of bulk. And then you add some nice color and to a tassel if you'd like to make a tassel out of this. But anyway, as you can see, that is a lot of ribbon. So thank you very much for that. And then the third, that was 2 things I've shown you. The third thing here is another trim, or that was really a ribbon. This is more like a trim here. I see I got 2 of them. I don't think I would realize I was getting 2 because I ordered one thing, but I got 2 spools here, so I don't know if that's what comes in the order or not. It probably does. I mean, I don't think they would just send me an extra spool for no reason. So, but this is some flowers. Let me get, this one's covered with plastic here. And all the products I've gotten from Globleland have been very high quality. Oh, this has a little sparkle to it. I probably knew that and forgot, right? Oh, I don't know, but I like it. If I knew it or not, I still like it. Let me see where the end is here. Okay. So let me show you. These are little flowers. They're not real thick either. They're actually, what are they made out of? I'm not sure. I don't think they're paper. I think they're actually kind of like a silk flower or something type of flower. And then they have a little glitter on them. So let me just show you again. Isn't that pretty? I hope you can see the sparkle. I'll kind of move it around so you can kind of, maybe a little sparkle for you in the camera. But that is pretty, and I already have something I want to use it on, so I wanted to share this with you so I could go ahead and demonstrate it on a product. But this is going to be really pretty, no matter where I use it, on the edge of a page, on a tag, a drawing card, a pocket, the cover of a journal. So many uses for this type of thing. So again, when I ordered this, if you notice, similar colors. So I was thinking of Halloween on this too. My which will be my most recent, or most, my next projects are going to be Halloween. So that's why I was hoping I got it really quick too when I ordered it. After I ordered it, I got it really quick. So that's great because I can go ahead and use it in my next project, which is going to be a Halloween journal. And then the fourth and last thing that I got, you can see this is a big spool. Also, let me see where the opening is. Right here. And we have some more ribbon. And I love gingham. Look at all that ribbon. Look at all that ribbon. So this is a good size spool. Several yards on here. Not sure how many. It should tell in the listing. But it is just gingham ribbon. But I figured I would use this. I figured I got this color. They have several different colors. But I got this color, red and white, because you can use it in a lot of things. So, like just in an everyday journal that maybe has red in it, you could use it. And also, it could be like a generic kind of Christmas color because it is red. And I like to use gingham no matter what color in my cookbook journals. I make those. So, and again, the width isn't too wide, so I could use it on tags and it won't create too much bulk. You could use this as trim on the side of a page or on the top of a pocket. Just, this is kind of like my favorite kind of ribbon where it has so many uses, you know what I mean? Like if it's thicker, you can't use it in a tag. It's just too thick. You could use it on the side, on a tag, but not through the hole on the top. So this one you could use both on a tag or on the top through that little hole when you're making your little tag topper or whatever. Just, this is my favorite. So anyways, four things I got this time. And stay tuned for 2 videos demonstrating these products. And again, if you want to go ahead and look at Globleland.com, just open up my description box and you will see all of the links to these products, as well as a coupon from Globleland to you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.